Hi, it's Chelsea Miller and I just got this game for my daughter, so let's test it out. Let's take batteries. So we're gonna go ahead and put those batteries in. So 4 different games, a grading mode, a memory mode, a chase mode, and a collision mode. So we have the power button, we have the volume. Here we have mode selection. So out of those 4 games, which one you want to play. This one is a start or skip.
This handheld game reminded me of a Bop It game I used to play that is kind of like a memory game. I like that there are 4 different options for games and that the levels really do vary, all the way from my daughter able to play level 1 and 2 to my husband and I can play the upper levels. Really fun game, really affordable, cute gift idea as well for the holiday. Definitely check it out, and thanks for watching. Bye.